In this video tutorial, I'll be covering how to make a blog post, a post where you can share on Facebook and some other social media handles. Alright, so first thing first, you would use the link, like the Ashake Inc. Foundation.org, slash WP admin. So now after you enter this, now this page will load. Then next thing is you would put in the email address or the username, anyone, and the password. Then you click on login. So when you log in, it loads, and this is what you're going to see after it has loaded. So this is the dashboard, and it contains several menus. We have posts, media, pages, comments, etc. So looking at posts, okay, so since we want to make blog posts, we shall be looking at posts. So under posts, we have all posts, add new, categories, tags. So this particular submenu, this is all posts, is going to show you all the posts that is on the site currently. Okay, then so if you want to create a new post, you come down to add new. So since we want to make a new post, now we click on add new and you allow it to load. So when it loads, here is what you're going to see. So here is the editor. You can make use of this editor. There are other editors that you can make use of. So the post would have a title, and here you can put in the title. So let's go to this particular post. So you can copy this and go back to your new page, put it there, then you move to the body, you copy the entire body, and so how do you add this body? Now you can see this plus sign. This plus sign will add a block. Okay, so what we want to add could be a paragraph, it could be an image, could be an heading, or you could click on browse all in order to see all available options. Okay, so it could be a text. So these are the options that are available there. So let's assume that we are going to add a paragraph. So we are going to add this as a paragraph. So now that we have clicked it, you can see now that it shows type / to choose a block. So you paste. Now you can see that it has been pasted right here. Okay, so here you have the body of your post. Now as this is, we can add images into this particular post. So when you click on it, you will find out that in between there is a block where you can click on. Perhaps you want to add an image, so you click on image, and so if you still have the image in your system, or you can just click on upload. You can upload it. Okay, then you pick the picture and you click open, or if you already have it already on the website, you can go over here and click on media library. Then it begins to load. So this is going to display the images or the pictures that are on the site currently. So you select, okay, let's assume that we select this and we select it so that it shows. So here is the image, and you can delete this particular caption if you like, and then you can resize it can resize it, you can pull it up. So as you can see, it has been pulled up. Okay, you can click on this in order to, align it left. You can see the change that this just brought about. So the text has now been wrapped around the image. So you can do likewise if you want to add, as many images as you like. You click on the add block, or whatever you want to add, you can add it right there. Okay, so let's say that we are done with our posts. Okay, now before you click on publish, that is to make it visible or make it public, you click on this particular icon. It's a settings icon, and you go to posts. Now this particular place is very, very essential. Now in this place, you can choose a category. Okay, you can choose a category that the post belongs to. It's very, very important that you choose a category for it. So it could be blog stories, fitness, or whatsoever. Or if you want to create a new category, you can, you click on blog stories, then you move on. You can click more than one category if you want. Okay, then it's also good that you also set a featured image. This is the image that's going to be seen at first before a person clicks on the post. It's a featured image, and it's very good that the featured image is attractive to the viewers. So if you may have the image already on the website, or you want to upload it, you can upload it by selecting the files. Okay, so let's assume we do not have it. We just want to select, one of these, and set the featured image. You can put an introduction. This is also what is visible at first when someone, sees the post. So let's say that I'm copying this and I'm putting it. I go back to the post and I go there and then I put it there. So it's also optional. So if you do not put the excerpt, the blog post will take, some of the words from the main write-up itself. You can also pick the heading. So it's also a very good one to set the excerpt, because okay, that's what you want. Okay, you can also allow comments, that people can make comments and become visible to the viewers. So people can make comments on the post. So when we are done putting all that we need to put, then you click on publish. So by the time you click on publish, you will see a link that tells you to view page. Okay, see a post that tells you to view page, and then you can view it. By the time you view it, it's going to look something like this. It's going to look something like this. This is how it's going to look. So it's going to tell you maybe when it was posted, blog stories. Now all of this can be changed. All of this can be changed, but in one word, this is just a post that has been made. Now, so let's assume that we want to edit a previous post. So you go to your posts, then you have all posts. Okay, when you click on all posts, you're going to see a page that looks like this. It tells you the post that is there. So on the post, you can click on edit. Okay, so when you can click on edit to edit in case you have something to edit there. Okay, and if you want to view, you can also click on view over here. Okay, there are other things you can do right from here. Okay, so now the edit is loading. Okay, so this has loaded completely. It has loaded completely. Okay, although the write-up here is not showing, but normally if you have your write-up there, it's going to show, and you'll be able to edit. You can change the categories as you like, and then you can update. Okay, so so that's it about making a blog